I'm going to give a demo of the B21 app and highlight some of the key features that are in the application. So the main thing behind B21 was to make it easy to purchase crypto and to manage your account. If you've ever seen a crypto trading screen like Binance or Kraken or Coinbase even, they're set up as trading terminals. So they're very complicated. They have bid ask, they have different types of orders, they have market or spot orders, they have limit orders, stop loss orders. I mean, all kinds of terminology that most basic users don't understand. And that actually scares people away from getting involved in crypto because they log into the account and they see a screen which is got a lot of things going on, very difficult for them to navigate. So we've created a system that allows people to make two different basic types of investments, and I'll walk you through those. First is a direct asset purchase. So if I want to interact with Ethereum, I just touch the card. It asks me if I want to buy or sell. In this case, I can say I want to buy. It gives me a current quote of what the price for Ethereum is. So in this case, 241.17. If I want to buy, I have a choice of using my cash balance. So in this case, I have cash, so I can just touch here and I have $195. So let's say I want to buy $20 worth of Ethereum. I just enter $20. Those assets will be in their account in just a few seconds. And it was that easy. So we'll send the customer a notification. That notification has just now come in. So if you see here, I had a trade from the cash balance of $20, and I can see that I bought 0.0821360 of Ethereum. So super easy, done in a few seconds, and really no technical knowledge required. You can do the same thing if you want to sell an asset. So we also support portfolio transactions, which is really cool for people who are looking to manage longer term investments. We have a portfolio manager. So you go here to investment allocation. And here I can set the allocations that I want to have in each crypto asset. So I can save that setting. Now that I have a portfolio, I can go back to the home screen and I can say that I want to invest now. I can enter the amount that I want to invest. Let's say I want to invest $50. It'll ask me, how do I want to invest? I can use my bank transfer or my card. So if I choose bank transfer, in this case, I'm in the US, so it's giving me the option of doing ACH. Now, I already have an account set up. I have my Wells Fargo account, so I can just say use this. So it's going to confirm you may want to make a $50 investment in my portfolio using a bank transfer, and I confirm. And that's it. So the service is now going to go out. It's going to purchase those assets based on the allocation. It'll charge my ACH account, which is my bank account. And you can see already those confirmations have come in and I have purchased those assets. They can also sell their portfolio. So for example, they can touch on the cash card and it'll ask them if they want to sell from their portfolio. They can choose to sell their assets in a simple way, or we have what's called an advanced sell. We'll choose simple. And it'll say, how much do you want to sell? So I have a value of $496. So I could say that I want to sell $50 of my portfolio, or I could even say I want to sell all. It would sell my whole portfolio to cash. And you can see here, we sold Bitcoin, we sold Ethereum, we sold EOS, we sold B21, and we sold Bitcoin Cash in order to get to that $50 value. So you can see we also sold all the way down to 64 cents of Bitcoin Cash. This is handled by an automated trading system that helps us overcome exchange minimums, and it's something that's just really awesome. It's difficult to do this if you were going to go do these 5 transactions on an exchange. If a customer just wants to deposit cash, let's say that he's going to put cash in his accounts because later on he'll want to purchase on a certain day. He can just go deposit now. He can enter the amount. Let's say just put $100. And we give them options of bank transfer and card. So if they choose bank transfer, we support ACH, international wire, and domestic US wires. Now, for example, if you were a customer who was based in India, we also support local payment options like UPI and NEFT. And so they can do an instant UPI transaction just like I could do an instant ACH transaction. Customers can withdraw cash. So for example, in this case, I have $238. I could withdraw all of my cash, or I could just withdraw a portion of it. So let's say I want to withdraw $100. I can go ahead and withdraw, and it'll ask me how I want to take it out. I can take it out through a bank transfer. If I choose bank transfer, I can choose the type of bank transfer that I want to send out. In this case, I have a bank saved already. We support domestic international and US transfers on the way out. We're also in the process of integrating with Pay Global, which is a UK-based wallet platform that we will enable instant transfers to that wallet out of the system. I'll show you some of our features that are related to viral nature of the product. So we have a section called Earn. We have Stake and Earn. So if you hold 500 or more B21 tokens in your portfolio, we pay 5% interest on those tokens. We pay it on the 1st of every month. And so all the customer has to do is they can buy 500 or more B21 tokens, and they meet the criteria. If they have that balance in their account at the end of the month, they'll get 5% interest payment paid into their account, essentially in free tokens. This is a great feature for us to have people be long-term holders of the B21 token and manage the value of the token with the customer. We also have an invite and earn function. This is the customer's referral code. So when they use this referral code to give it to a friend, they can earn $2 in B21 token for themselves, and the customer that they refer is going to get $2 in referral commission for signing up, and they'll receive those in B21 token. They can share those out onto social media, so they can just tap the share button, and then they can share on whatever social media channel they like. We also have an invest and earn promotion that's going on right now. So for anybody who deposits $50 or more, they get $5 in B21 tokens as an incentive, and then subsequent deposits of $100 or more, they would get a $5 incentive. We also have an upcoming B21 card, which would be linked to this account. So anytime somebody wants to do a withdrawal, they would be able to do an instant withdrawal to the B21 card, and those funds would become available for them to spend on groceries or gas or anything they want to. So we have this this section here, which is essentially our promotions management, and we can change these promotions. We have a quite flexible engine that allows us to create different promotions at different times. We support 5 languages, so the customer can just choose the language that they want from the menu. Once they change that selection, the application will automatically change to that language. We also support profit and loss reports. Customer can get a year-to-date profit and loss report in Excel or PDF. They just choose the type of report they want, hit submit, and we'll send that report to them in email. We'll also, in our roadmap, we're going to be adding additional local payments. We're targeting things like local payments in Asia. Just like we've added UPI in India, we'll be adding local payment solutions in Asia. Hopefully this gave you a good overview of what B21 is all about. Thank you.